In this second part of utility cuts in paved roads, we'll continue looking at ways for local government agencies to improve utility cut work methods and management, beginning with pavement cutting. First, it's important to re-emphasize safe work zones. All traffic control devices, flaggers, and the work zone as a whole should be checked often for compliance with the minimum requirements of the MUTCD and with all state and local regulations. When cutting pavements, care should always be taken to make neat, straight, vertical-sided cuts, but especially when the sides of the cut will end up as the edges of a permanent patch. Many agencies instead make temporary patches initially and later replace them with permanent ones. In any case, utility cuts must be laid out properly, in the correct location as previously marked, and to the proper dimensions. These proper dimensions must allow room for the utility facilities, workers and equipment, and the operations that will take place, including compaction of backfill. At least 460 millimeters of space should be allowed on each side of a facility. Of course, other factors may indicate that a wider cut is required, such as to accommodate a trench box or other type of shoring or bracing. In cutting asphalt pavements, the perimeter line should first be marked. White is the recommended marking color, so as not to be confused with any other utility markings in the area. Then a saw cut should be made along the lines, either full depth or partial depth. When partial depth, the sawing should cut to 1/3 the depth of the pavement, or at least 50 millimeters. Then a mechanical hammer should be used to cut the rest of the way down. The hammer should have a cutting edge of at least 100 millimeters. Alternatively, asphalt pavements may be cut with the mechanical hammer alone. However, in this case, the cuts should be squared before final repairs are made. The edges of all cuts should be vertical and straight. Hammer operators should be safely attired. Hard hat, safety goggles, ear protection, and sturdy steel-toed boots equipped with foot guards. When cutting concrete pavements, the outline of the cut should be sawed at least 200 millimeters